Hi, this is Uma Rani speaking to you regarding the research. So, I have been telling you about the plagiarism. Just have a look at the PPT and then I will tell you how it can be reduced also. I will tell you. Plagiarism means using others' work as your own words without their consent and giving proper credit in our article. Authors should mention the source of citation in reference. It can be avoided by writing the new ideas in your own words. So, plagiarism checker can be used to find the percentage of plagiarism in your article. So, you can find out the plagiarism checker in Google itself, it is there. If you ask for checker, you will get it there. You just paste your one para by para and then find out the percentage. In the universities, they are using Turnitin and Urukun software to check the plagiarism of the thesis. When plagiarism is high in the thesis, as per the UGC norms, both the scholar as well as the supervisor will be punished. So, now I will just tell you how the plagiarism can be reduced. For this also, for everywhere we always, people, we are very, tactical in finding out a mechanism to do some gimmicks, right. So, likewise here also the plagiarism can be reduced. It is a very simple, tool by which, we can also, reduce it. I will tell you step by step how it has to be done. There is a, in Google search you have to go for spinbot.com. So, in the spinbot.com, I will tell you step by step how you have to reduce your plagiarism, where you have to copy and paste your content, and then if you ask for the rewriting, it will rewrite and beautifully without plagiarism it will give you. I will just show you what I have done. Please friends, have a look at that. So, as I told you, you have to copy your content only like within 1000 words, you can copy the content, and in Google if you go, you can search for spin.com, okay, and there there is one place, one column given as text to rewrite, where you have to paste your para, and then you have to move down. There will be a robot and the checking of robot column, and after that if you go click the go, then it will come, the rewritten text will be there entirely, that will be different. Just to have a look at this, how I have, this is the Spinbot site, okay. So, here there is a column, as I told you, enter the text to rewrite, I told you. So, now what I have done here is I have copied one of my abstract. Okay, my abstract I have copied and I have just pasted. Indian movie industry has so many ups and downs. Please very carefully see the words, and then rewritten words also you can note it. So, this is how I have pasted it. After pasting it, what I have done is I will go down. There will be a column like this, I am not a robot. There is a column like this, and here I have to prove that I am a human being. Is it not? So, for that they will give that verification check, cross marks they are asking. So, wherever cross marks are there, I ticked, and then there is a down, there is a verify column, I have to click the verify. If I click that verify column, then immediately if you see I am not robot, that tick column comes. So, you must see whether you are getting that tick column, that green tick. After getting the tick column, then there is go is there, I have to click the go. Please carefully note it, that go column I have to click. If I click it, you see the entirely different version of the words what I gave in the beginning. You can find huge difference here. Without plagiarism I am getting. So, if you find time, please write on your own, that is the best methodology. But for some people, as a beginner who are finding very difficult to write, where they want to publish in very quality journals, you can go make use of this, and ultimately we are getting this rewritten text like this. Okay, friends, like this is how. And there is also another method where this is a little complicated one, where the word that PDF article I have to convert to Word, and then like if you go for PPT, up in the right hand side corner there will be one icon called as replace icon. Okay, when you go for PPT, you will find in the right hand side. If I click that replace icon, one window will pop up, and there I have to, the replace column I have to write as I. Then there will be one more button. If I click that, another window will pop up, where in the font column I should write the size only as 5, and the color I should write only white color. then again I have to go back to the first that pop up where replace window column. I will write everything and then it will replace all. If I click, then I will get the rewritten version of the plagiarism. This is a little complicated one, so I think you can go for the first one itself. So friends, I think you have understood, so please go for that that rebot.com, and then you can reversion of the article, you will be getting that, so that you can reduce the plagiarism to an extent, and you will be in a position to publish also in good journals. And friends, I hope it was useful for you, and thank you for watching my video. I will again meet you again tomorrow. Bye.